Welcome to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today I'm working on my project. This is a 2013 Subaru Impreza. It had a front end wreck. I bought it at a Copart auction and now I'm going to be fixing it. It had some airbags go off and it had the seatbelts lock up. So today I'm going to be putting in the reprogrammed control module and the reset seatbelts. I had my seatbelts and control module done at my Airbag. Now I'm going to reinstall the airbag control module. I didn't feel like taking this whole panel apart, and I felt that I had small enough hands and I was able to get it out. But we'll see if I can put it back in again without taking this all apart. Goes way back in here. Plugged in the wire harness. Alright, now to get the bolt in. That one's easy. And the nut. These are going to be the hardest. I'm going to install the seat belt now. Remove the clip. And there it is. Finished one, and now I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to connect the radiator, add some water, and start it up. I guess I should plug the hole. I'm going to plug in the battery and see how it runs. it has a few issues. I'm going to check the pulleys. They could have gotten damaged by the impact. The radiator was up against the pulleys and the belt. The belt is a little worn. It has just a little bit of cracking. This pulley here is really bad. This pulley here, the bearing's gone out. This pulley is bent. The alternator squeaks. Seems like the bearings on all the pulleys are not optimal. Where it mounts is fine. That's good news. But the pulley itself is bent. You're gonna have to get a new one of those. Kind of feels like dirt or something has gotten in here. I think we're just going to replace all the pulleys. Alright, that's it for today. I'll show you guys more of this project next month. Thanks for watching.